Lambert's waiting. Hi, Lambert. So, we made it. What did we got? We got kimchi with avocado. We got a hot dog with sauerkraut, barbecue sauce, kale salad. And now I remember these are called churros. And over there, we're going to fly the drone into Brusso Lake. We have... I forgot the name of those. Look at this view. Brusso Lake. We're going to fly the drone over there. And we got sunshine. Oh, we got a picture. Let's go fly. Let's go. Well, that was fun. Wasn't it, Lambert? We flew down there. Way down there. And up there. Okay, I saw a road down there. We're going to try to get to it. Let's go.